Yuki was a young woman living in Tokyo who had always been fascinated by the art of tea making. She had grown up hearing stories about the precision and grace of the tea ceremony and dreamed of one day hosting her own ceremony. One day, Yuki attended a calligraphy class where she met a samurai sword maker named Hiro. They bonded over their shared love of traditional Japanese culture and began spending more and more time together. As they got to know each other, Yuki learned more about Hiro's craft and his dedication to the samurai code. She admired his commitment to honor, loyalty, and self-discipline, and felt inspired to incorporate these values into her own life. Together, Yuki and Hiro began practicing the art of tea making, spending hours perfecting their movements and techniques. Yuki also began studying calligraphy, working diligently to master the brushstrokes and characters. Finally, after many months of preparation, Yuki and Hiro hosted their own tea ceremony. They invited friends and family to join them and prepared the tea and snacks with great care and attention to detail. As they served the tea, they reflected on the wisdom and beauty of the samurai code and the importance of cultivating harmony, respect, and tranquility in their daily lives. The ceremony was a great success, and Yuki felt grateful to have found such a deep connection to her own cultural heritage. She knew that the practice of chado and shodo would continue to be an important part of her life, and that she would always strive to live by the principles of the samurai code.